Our product is called Flowmizer. It is a device that will go on the end of a hose or on the end of a spigot that you can preset the amount of water that it will top out at distributing. So if you are wanting to water your grass or fill up a pool and you want to set it for, say, 100 gallons, then you can set it for the amount of water, walk away from it, and it'll shut off when it reaches that amount. Because this is the first presentation, first week update, we have not done any guru interviews or any customer interviews yet. Here is our business model canvas. You can see that we've broken it down into the 9 building blocks. Key partnerships we're gonna need people in manufacturing, with distribution, and with distribution channels, and possibly a co-branding partner like Rainbird or Home Depot. Obviously, the key activities are going to be engineering this and marketing, assembly, quality control, and acquiring the right financing model. That could back into the co-branding partner if we decide to go with that. Key resources are going to be the engineer to help us build it, design it, sales marketing person that can start selling it. That sales and marketing may start off with trying to find a co-branding partner. Finance, operations, quality, value proposition, as we can say, the pain is going to be to avoid expensive water bills. We estimate that it can cost you just one overnight water, leaving the water running, $60. You do that 2 or 3 times over your lifetime, and this product is easily going to bring its own value back 300 to 400 times. The pain and monitoring of watering, if anyone's ever had to just go move hose, that's just a lot of work. And if you could just set something, walk away, and forget about it, it would be nice. Same thing with filling a pool. On the flip side, the gain would be conserving water. There's more and more people that are conscious of a limited resource like water, and so it brings a lot of value to people that know that they're not wasting the water. And then the other gain would be to set it and forget about it. If I know I need to top off my pool, I can set it for 100 gallons, walk away from it, and I know that it's not going to overfill, and I'm just going to have to waste water even more. Customer relationships, relationships, we're going to want to connect with garden hobbyists, connect with water conservationists, connect with small agricultural farmers. Customer segments would be homeowners, garden landscaping. Those are our primary customers, community gardeners, small animal livestock, municipalities with water rationing. We think we will channel them through hardware stores, online retailers, possibly specialty feed and livestock stores, big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, specialty gardening supplies, television. QVC could be a really important partner. Cost structure would be, obviously we've got to design and engineer it, we've got to assemble it, we have to the labor to sell it and to move it, and then in through distribution. Revenue model, we think it'll be a low cost, higher quality. Similar products that aren't quite the same are ranging between $10 and $20 on the market today. We think we'll be in the $15 to $25 range. This is a one-time purchase. We think the price point above that would be such that it might discourage people. The chances you might overwater your lawn or something, it's going to be hard to sell if the price is too high. Our market size here, we've estimated the total available market is 126 million households in the United States. Served available market would be 75 million single-family detached houses, zoos, nurseries, and small animals, livestock. And then the target market would be the 42 million people in the gardening and at home. Here's kind of some ideas on how it would be used. Fill up a 50-gallon trough. You just set it for 50 gallons, walk away, go do all the rest of your chores, come back to it when you're done. Save precious resources, water, set it and forget about it, no more overflowing buckets. Water rationing, there's sometimes people are just, currently right now in Salem, the water has been shut off, so there's a lot of water rationing. So this would work really well for people who are getting water from a hose truck like this. And then the business type, obviously, we kind of talked about this, will be a manufacturer and distributor, a small startup that will patent the design, may choose to joint venture with somebody with existing distribution channels and marketing might. Sales will begin simultaneously with the production, and then further development of water conservation products will begin after we start moving this initial product. And then the proposed experiments, the customer segments that'll get us our customer interviews and things is we'll interview people at big box stores. A past response from the people that we interview would be as if they're positive on the price point or the product value, and then a fail would be if they're negative. Same thing would pretty much fall with the small farm livestock census, and see how important it is not to waste water for them, and then the pool store survey as well. Thank you, and we look forward to moving this product forward.